Good morning. You guys did a really great job yesterday with finding slope from a graph. But I just wanted to review because I know there were a couple of questions, so I want to go over the answers so that we can do a little bit more practice today. So the first graph you had, you could see on my little whiteboard here, I have highlighted the rise in green and the run in red. Okay, so if I look at my green, I'm going to count how many spaces I go up. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know my rise is 4. Okay. Then I'm going to look at my run. So how far am I going to the right in this case? And I'm going 1. So my run is 1. And if I divide 4 by 1, I find out that that's 4. So in this case, my slope is 4. Okay, moving on to the next problem. In this one, you'll look and see, again, I've already highlighted it, but if I count my spaces, the green, I'm going 1, 2, 3. So my rise is 3. And then I'm going to the right 1. So my run is 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. So my slope is 3. Okay. And the final one, my rise. Now, in this case, if you look at the way this line goes, you should automatically see that from left to right, it goes down. So I know it's going to be negative. But the other way that I know that it's negative is instead of going up on the rise, I'm going down 1, 2. So I'm actually going in a negative direction. And I'm going to the right 1, which is a positive direction. So that's a positive 1. And hopefully you remember that a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So in this case, my slope is negative 2. Okay, so again, make sure you double check your lines. If it's going down from left to right, it's a negative. If it's going up from left to right, it's a positive. That's always a good double check. See in this one, it's going up, and in the first one, it's going up, and those are all positive. The other issue that we might be having, I'm just going to go over it just in case, is we might be having trouble drawing the rise and the run. I want you to think about it like you are driving and these are streets. Think about like the city of Euclid when we did that. So you can't cut through somebody's yard. So if I want to get from, say, this point to this point, how am I going to get there by car? I am going to go up this street and over that street. Okay, you should always be drawing a triangle. It should always look like a triangle by the end. Okay, doing that again on the next one. How am I going to get from one point to another point? I'm going to go up and over. Again, it looks like a triangle. The next one, you are going to go from one point to another point. In this case, I'm going down and over. Now, I just want to make a point here that you can go either way. So in this case, I went down and to the right. If I wanted to go from this point to this point, I could go up and left. It just changes it from a positive 2 to from a negative 2 to a positive 2 and a positive 1 to a negative 2. Anyway, you get the same answer. So if you want to switch your direction, it's fine. You'll still get the same answer. If you want to pick 2 different points, it's fine. You'll still get the same answer. You just might have to reduce. And I hope that helps. Again, if not, please reach out and ask for some help because that's what we're here for, and we will keep trying to help you as best we can.